left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, deep the halo of the streetlight. I turn my body really cold again when my eyes are stabbed by the flash of neon light. Slip them back and touch the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. Just hear the sound of silence. Fools that I do not know, silence like a dancing road. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell. Echo the of silence, and the people by and pray to the neon god they made, and the sun flashed its warning in the words it was forming, and the silence and the words of the prophets are written in the subway walls, in tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.